They told me boys don't cry or play with Barbies. So my whole life I've tried my hardest to be the man that they wanted me to be.
TsukiHina Day 2023, 2 out of 4. Late again, I'm so sorry. I had a big event yesterday and I had to prep the day before that. It's like seeing two guys. Tobio, I love you, but you have to stop glaring at my best friend. I might get jealous with your attention all over them. I just don't understand what the fuck's wrong with your best friend. I mean, look at him. Yamaguchi followed his boyfriend's gaze and hummed when he saw Tsukishima minding his business while reading a book on his desk. Seems okay to me. Yeah, and here comes Hinata. Yamaguchi continued staring at his best friend, whose mood immediately brightened and a smile now plastered on his once frowning face. It's like looking at two different guys. Does he even realize he does this? Does Hinata? Wanna go ask? I'ma go ask. Yamaguchi got up and bounded over to the couple who were now eating lunch together. Hey Yamaguchi, where's Yama? Right here. Yamaguchi, Kageyama. Hey, sup? So I was wondering. You mean your boyfriend was wondering? Yeah, I was wondering. Tsuki, you smile a lot more now with Hinata. What gives? Yeah, I realized that was weird of you. I can't be happy with my boyfriend. A small tug at Tsukishima's lips as Hinata beamed right back at him and nodded in understanding. Well, it's not a crime to be happy and you're very handsome and smiling. Hinata then turned to the other two. Is there something wrong? It doesn't bother you, right? Not really, but it's just weird. Good weird. Tsuki is such a simp though. Hey, not your relationship, but off. Yeah, Kay is happy, so let him be. Happy if you are. I always am because you said yes to me. Then I always will be. Yamaguchi and Kageyama shared a disgusted look from the cringe and slowly backed away from the couple that were already talking about something else. Yikes, definitely not doing that again. Gross. So gross. A shiver went down Kageyama's spine when he heard Tsukishima laugh at something Hinata said.